Guys, back with Myke LS. Yo, so this is y'all already know what quarter we in. We in fourth quarter. This is gonna be a different video today. It's kind of like a networking video. Not too much of a car thing today. You know, sometimes we gotta switch it up for the channel. So I'm about to visit my guy. Oh, there go the ops. I'm about to visit my guy, Dami, tattoo artist. I'm gonna get something a slight add-on to what I have. You know, sometimes people with tattoo, we get what you call a tattoo fever. So y'all already see I'm on my way. I'm en route, saying 11 minutes. His location now is in, I think it was in Corona, Queens before, but it's just in, I guess a different location. I'm not sure. But we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna tap in, see if I could get some clean recording, because you know, a lot of the time they be beating up that music in them tattoo shops. So if I could get some clean recording when introduce Dami to the channel, introduce Dami to what we do, and just kind of show his work a little bit. He didn't really do too much tattoos on me like that, but he did a little bit more than a few. Nothing, no big pieces, but very consistent, very dope dude. I just want to add him to the channel in terms of networking. And he one of my guys that are locked in terms of getting tattoos until maybe somebody else, you know, could join the team, because it's always good to have multiple options in whatever you do. But yeah, so as y'all see, I'm 10 minutes in. I have a 1 o'clock appointment. I try to leave a little bit earlier, but you know how that go, you know what I mean? Because just in case I gotta find park and all that, whatnot, y'all already know how I go. So definitely, you know, just wanted to tap in with that. We see how the rest of this video goes. All right, what up, guys? We at JR Assassin Tattoo Parlor. So I just want to give y'all a quick run around what it look like. And we got the tattoo artist at work. Y'all already see. You want to shout out your name real quick?
Yes, sir. Hey, how you doing? My name is Jay. Any questions, y'all could just go ahead. Call me 347-200-5727. Right now I'm doing an Henry. It's a solo leveling.
Okay.
I just incorporated, like, he's a god. Put the crown with Jesus' crown.
That's what's up. And how long you been tattooing?
About a decade.
A decade? All right, yeah, cool. Cool. All right, man. Yes, that's what's up. All right. They already know we got Dami in the cut.
What's going on, my guys? My name is Dami. I'm a tattoo artist from Queens, New York. We about to blast my son's face today. We about to get tatted. We out here.
That's what it is, man. Then we got the other tattoo artist right here. He in the cut doing his work. I mean, got the customers, so y'all already see what it is. I'm gonna tap in with the address at the ending of the video. So now, Dami, I'm gonna let Dami get to work. Basically, I'm gonna put y'all on the quick time lapse. guys just left the spot. So I can see just got something real light touched up real quick. Windy day. Just happened to my guy Dami. Day in the cut. Pretty cool shop. You already know what it is. Man, windy out here. Gotta get some more work done, but just tap in. Y'all already know it's fourth quarter. I mean, getting things done, putting things on the checklist. All right, so if you're new to my channel, already know my name is Myke LS. Pretty short video, nothing too much. Know what I mean? Check out the back end videos. Renzel is up next. We getting the work done, and we getting the work done. All right, catch y'all on the next one.